Today we're going to talk about mysimpleshow, which is a web-based technology tool that allows anyone to create short, slideshow-esque videos, or what they call explainer videos. The site is set up to create concise and engaging videos that explain something. There are multiple topics, so there are templates you can use, and we'll get to that. mysimpleshow. To access mysimpleshow, you just go to mysimpleshow.com. Create a login account. It's pretty simple. Everything's pretty straightforward. Then you click create a new video. You're going to write your own script, name it here, and you're in. Then there is a tutorial on the website, which I found to be pretty helpful and very informative. It pops up every time you change a page and explains what you should be doing on that page. And there is a way to turn that off. The first thing you're going to do is pick a category. We're going to go under education and pick summarize literature or movie. So once you're in, you'll see the setup, and there's a few sections, and the first section is going to be the title, and you're going to pick an applicable title. Then you're going to write in your introduction, and I just made up something here. Okay, and you can see that there's 5 sections here. In these sections, you'll notice that there is a limit on how many words or how many characters you can have in each section. That's how you keep your story concise. This is a good way to get students to really pull out the important themes and messages of the material that they're reading. The first story I did on here was actually, I had to keep condensing, but it ended up being pretty cool in the end. As a writer, I know it can be difficult to make edits to your material, but this tool really helps you figure out how to do it successfully. So then you're going to add your graphics. They have these cool little scribbles, they call them, on mysimpleshow, and it can recognize certain words, and it'll offer you scribbles that you can use. And if you don't like what you get, you can try to type something else in to get what you're looking for. But the word does have to be there. So when we use the word create and it gives us the picture we want, we have to include the word create in the text box. So we'll just change it to let's create. And then I just made up a little thing about a fake book. And this is just going through it again quickly. Picking out graphics that go with the words. Then we're going to pick our music. And, we have to upgrade to get choices. So we're going to pick the sample that's available to us. Same with the voice.
Hey, let me be the voice of your simple show clip, and I will help you to bring your message across.
And there's an option for subtitles, you can see here. And now we're going to preview our video before finalizing.
Example on how to use mysimpleshow. Let's create. Written by John Smith in 1889. The book was well known considering circulation problems at that time.
Now that we finalized our video, we are ready to share it. We are going to change the privacy settings so that our videos are public and anyone can view them. We're going to upload via YouTube by connecting our YouTube account to mysimpleshow. You can do this with Facebook, Vimeo, and a couple others. And we'll just give it a brief description, and we are finished. It is that simple.